Today we are going to make this lotus. For this craft, we only need one origami paper. It can be any color you like. First, we need to take this side and then fold it to the other side. And make sure that it's aligned. Now we open it and then fold it the other way so that we have a line. Now we have 4 squares. So I need to take this corner and then just like align it. And then do the same for all the other sides. And make sure that it's aligned so that it like stays kind of perfect and stuff. Okay, now you get like this small square. A little bit smaller than we started with. Now we take the corner of this small square and then bring it to the center. And then make this small square like a bit smaller. Now we have like a way smaller square than we started with. Well, with this smaller square, we need to fold it smaller. You might get a little thick if you're using thick paper, like me. Yes, and now you have a very small square. Now don't worry, we are not gonna fold this small square even smaller. We are gonna take this and fold it out like this, but not all the way like this. Just like this, but there's like a little space leaving behind. Now we need to do the same for all the rest. And don't worry, you can pause the video if I'm going like a little bit too fast. Now we can take this side which is inside, and then fold it to the sides. Now we need to take those sides inside and fold them like this. And look! Do you think our flower is finished? It looks like it. Now you have a beautiful lotus. Hope you liked watching me make this lotus. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in another video.